I got a 2007 Yamaha golf cart. I'm going to show you how to make it go a little faster. You've had to remove this access panel in the back here. You take a screwdriver and you just pry this up, and then you can remove these two tabs here. I already have it up here, so it's just come out, and this will come out here, and boom, it comes right out. And your governor is right in the back. If you want to get it a little faster, you can tighten this nut. The closer you go this way, it'll make it go faster, and then if you loosen the nut, it'll make it go slower. But if you want to go make it a little faster, you take this nut out. I already got it loose here. You take this pin out, and I've already got mine, but like you can see, I filed it here and here, so when you can tighten it, it'll go further up, and it'll make it go a little more faster. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this up here, and I'll show you when it's all done. I'll tighten up here. There you go, it's all done. Tighten up. This is as fast as I want to go. You can bend the spring, make it go a little faster, but I don't suggest you doing that. I'm going to put the cover back on and go for a spin.